Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to use DreamWeaver, Adobe DreamWeaver, and how to make a website using Adobe DreamWeaver. It's very interesting software. So let's explore this. When you install this software on your system, and after that you will click at the bottom left corner of your system. When you type Dream, and it will appear at top of your program, the Adobe DreamWeaver CS6. Click on it. That's how you can launch this application. Very easy process. Now after that, when you launch this application, load this application, you will get this interface. Now we are going to build a website or web page, so we have to use which language? HTML, because HTML, hypertext markup language, is used to create website or web pages. It's very basics for kids, so please try to understand this and focus here and watch full video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, and so that you can get the latest feed from my channel. Thank you. So click on it. Well, over here, so here is the main interface of the Dreamweaver. Okay, now you can see that it's written here untitled at the top left corner, untitled 1. So it means I haven't saved this. So first protocol is always that you need to save your work in the student drive or somewhere you feel comfortable where you can create its backup. Why I said student file? Because I'm a teacher and I'm creating this tutorial for my kids. Okay, now here we are. Here's where let's explore its different functionality. So when you click here at top left corner, it's a code view only you can see a code here. So HTML is not a programming language, it's a scripting language. It means that we will use tags here to create our web page or website. Okay, here's code section, and here is very interesting section, split section. It will split design and the view section over here. For example, I want to type something over here. Let me write here my name. Okay, enter. Okay, and then let's say class 70C, and then topic name is building website. Okay, and now it's not appearing over here in the code section. What I will do, I just click here in the code section and it will appear as it is. And now you can see that there are p tags over here. P tags mean that I'm using paragraph here, p starting tag, and here is the ending tag. Okay, so next thing is done. Okay, now when you click on design view, you can only see the design. Okay, when you want to go live, click on live. Stop that. Okay, now after that, when you click here, this one, you will go forward, Explorer, Chrome, and any other browser, so you can run your script using HTML script using any browser by clicking here. So here it is called preview in Chrome. Click on it. Okay, do you want to save it? Yes, click on save. And now here by default we write as index.html. okay, now I'm going to select a folder here. I'm going for desktop. Now create a folder. We are learning different skills. You can see over here, when you click here, you are able to create a new folder. Now give a heading over here. Let's say building website 70. Okay, now I'm going to open this folder, and now just save your file over here. Done. Okay, now look here, it will appear in a Google Chrome just like that, Faisal Jalil blah blah blah. Okay, now let me go back, and I want to put this all text in the center. So let me click on split section, and now here I'm going to add a tag, starting tag, which is known as center tag, which will bring my all data in between these two tags, starting tag, and here is the ending tag. I'm using angle bracket slash, and now write center. So you can give appropriate spaces, enter button over here, so that it can differentiate between the starting tag, ending tag, and there is your main text inside the body tag. Make sure you have click here inside the body tag. Okay, now just click here in the design view, and it will bring your stuff in the center. Okay, so here is the basic, here is the start. So untitled, can you see the title over here? I'm going to change the title. In our class we are using that arena So let's go for Arena. Arena is the website for renewable resources. We are working on it. We will explore later on. So in the meantime, you need to focus on these three things. This is just an introduction. Okay, let me say my word. Control S is very important key. File, click on top left corner, file or save your project already saved. Okay ji, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and in next video we are going to build what website. Okay.